What's going on, everybody? Your boy Shaka here. You already know what it is. Back at the shop. You already know. Always here. Every single day. Every single day. Not every single day, but you know, days that I work. But I'm always here afterwards doing what I gotta do. So, today's video, we are going to be, not replacing because I didn't buy them yet, but I'm going to. We're gonna try this out and see if it works. We're gonna be replacing these nice little trailer arm bushings right here. As you can see, yeah, that's nice and purdy. That's nice and purdy. So is this. I mean, for you muscle guys that are out there, that's my boss's Challenger. Yes, V8 Hemi, 5.7, all that good stuff. But we are out here with this trailer arm trying to burn this out. So you can see I already got it smoking, but I'm gonna hit this again, the time lapse.
Sonic is building momentum.
All right, we got the first trailer arm on fire over here. As we let this burn the rest of the rubber out and smoke off in that distance. Sorry about being so close. I don't have my damn phone camera. If you wanna, my phone post, I'm gonna say, because I use my phone to record all my videos for you guys to see. But yeah, I left it at home. My box is here for it, but it's at home. So yeah, so you guys have a arm length view. I mean, I got some long arms, so you know. All right, I'm gonna have to do some extra stuff to this one actually, because I'm gonna have to take out this e-brake cable right here to get this away from there. I'm gonna take that off, and look, oh, it's still burning out there. That's good though. All that rubber should just burn off by itself. I didn't add any extra, you know, gasoline or anything. I thought about that afterwards, like, damn, maybe I think I should add some gas or, you know, something, brake cleaner, heat this, you know what I mean, ignite this up. But hey, the rubber burns by itself perfectly fine, so you don't have to do any of that extra shit and, you know, end up burning something down. All right, I had to put y'all on the extension cord because my shit is dying. But we got the first one nice and burnt out. I don't know if you can see that well, but yeah, just got to finish scraping off all the rubber and then start with that one. And then we can get the up out of here. All right, got it nice and cleaned out. I would definitely take a like sandpaper, or we have a little Dremel, which I'm going to be hitting this up with, you know, with the Dremel to get the rest of this stuff out. But that's how I want to do. Now that would be cool. rear trailer arms should be on point after putting, you know, polyurethane bushings in the rear. Should definitely stiffen up. And yeah, I just, you know, want the car to go back together in a perfect, you know, fashion. I don't know. I just wanted to drive, and you know, hopefully I can achieve that. But I'll catch y'all tomorrow, or whenever the next day, you know, the next video is. I'm not gonna say it is tomorrow, because if it's not, then I feel like a dumbass. So I'll catch y'all whenever the next video is. Later. Welcome back, everybody. We were last off on burning and taking these trailer arm bushings out, and now we finally got them, well, got the inside all cleaned out on both of them. Yeah. Now I just have to go, oh, my bad, I'm ass with the camera angle today, but I just gotta go and grind these off, clean these off. Then we can go and put the new polyurethane bushings up in there. Look how nice these shits look. Nice and solid. Gonna look perfect. So I'm gonna get to that. Alrighty. So got these all shaved and grinded down, all smooth and like. So we are going to be slapping polyurethane bushings into the trailer arm, and then slapping these bitches into the polyurethane, which they say the long side goes inward to the inside of the toe. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go check. Give me a second. Yeah, anyways, thanks to Michael. He told me that there is actually a difference here. There's a circle up here and a oval down here, but the oval goes to the outside where the studs are, so the oval faces outward. Okay. Alrighty. Got me a that's a front wheel drive bearing press. As you can see, I am prepared to ready to throw this in there, so I'm gonna set you guys up for as long as I can time lapse until I have no more storage, because that's been doing that a lot lately. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know if that's good enough. Nope, I just straight missed everything I'm doing. Woo! I saved it, dog. Now that would be cool. Yeah, got them done, both of them, left and right. I mean, I just had the right one in my hand, but right and left. Anywho, I'm glad I got those done. Alright, so that'll be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely, if you like the video, you know, like it, you know, it's right there in one of the corners. I don't know. But definitely like the video. Definitely subscribe, because, you know, I love if you would subscribe. You know, love all my subscribers. You know, I'm just out here doing what I do. loving it every step that I'm going by, you know. Taking it little by little here and there, but hey, I'm doing it. I'm just taking you guys on for the ride, and I hope you enjoy it. So, like I was just saying, so yeah, definitely like, smash that like button in the corner. Definitely subscribe. I would love you to subscribe, and definitely comment. You know, if you want to comment about how I did this trailer arms, and anyway, because I know it was like a 2-day process, but it's like more than like 2 day, 3 day. I don't give a. So, but I mean, I just smashed it all together in today's video. Thank you guys again for watching, and it's your boy Shaka. So, you know. But until then, peace, love, and engine grease, y'all. Take it easy.